A well-designed patio door does more than connect your indoor and outdoor spaces. It enhances the style, comfort, and efficiency of your home. For homeowners in Gilbert, Arizona, replacing an outdated patio door can offer a range of benefits, from improving energy efficiency to boosting home value. Here's a closer look at why patio door replacement is a smart investment for Gilbert homeowners. Improved energy efficiency. Gilbert's hot desert climate makes energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Old patio doors can allow cool air to escape, causing your air conditioning system to work harder, which leads to higher energy bills. New patio doors are designed with advanced materials and features such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and gas-filled panes to improve insulation. These features minimize heat transfer, helping your home stay cool in summer and warm in winter, ultimately reducing energy costs. For Gilbert homeowners looking to save on their utility bills, energy-efficient patio doors are an ideal upgrade. Enhanced home comfort. One of the immediate benefits of a new patio door is improved indoor comfort. Older doors often develop drafts and leaks that can make certain rooms feel too hot or too cold. With a new patio door, you'll enjoy a tighter seal that keeps out drafts, dust, and outdoor noise. This creates a more comfortable living space, making it easier to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. In a climate like Gilbert's, where temperatures can fluctuate, a new, well-sealed patio door is essential to keep your home feeling cozy. Increased natural light. Modern patio doors come in a variety of designs that maximize natural light. Replacing an outdated door with a larger, glass-paneled sliding or French door can brighten up your home and make your indoor spaces feel more open and inviting. Natural light not only enhances the appearance of your home's interior but also helps reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, leading to additional energy savings. In a sunny location like Gilbert, maximizing natural light is a great way to create a bright, welcoming atmosphere. Improved security features. A new patio door doesn't just look good, it also offers enhanced security. Many modern patio doors come with stronger frames, reinforced glass, and multi-point locking systems, making them more difficult to break into compared to older doors. Laminated or tempered glass is also an option for extra durability and safety. Upgrading to a secure patio door can give you peace of mind, knowing that your home is better protected from potential break-ins. Enhanced curb appeal and modern aesthetic. Your patio door is an important architectural element, and a new one can give your home a fresh, updated look. Whether you prefer the sleek appearance of a sliding glass door or the classic elegance of French doors, modern patio doors come in a range of styles to complement your home's design. With a variety of frame materials, colors, and finishes available, a new patio door can enhance your home's exterior appeal and add a touch of modern elegance. A well-chosen patio door serves as a focal point that enhances both your indoor and outdoor spaces. Increased home value. Home improvements that enhance aesthetics, efficiency, and functionality often lead to an increase in property value, and patio door replacement is no exception. Potential buyers are drawn to updated features that improve the home's look and energy efficiency. A new, stylish patio door can make your home more attractive to future buyers, increasing its market value. In a competitive real estate market, this small upgrade can set your property apart, giving you a strong return on investment if you ever decide to sell. Low maintenance and long-lasting durability. Modern patio doors are designed with durable materials that require less upkeep than older doors. Options like vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum are resistant to warping, fading, and corrosion, even in Gilbert's intense sunlight. Many new patio doors come with finishes that protect against scratches and wear, keeping them looking new for years. Low-maintenance doors save you time and effort, allowing you to enjoy your patio area without the hassle of regular repairs or refinishing. Enhanced indoor-outdoor living experience. One of the main functions of a patio door is to create a seamless transition between your indoor and outdoor spaces. Modern patio doors, especially those with large glass panels, make it easy to open up your living space to your patio, deck, or backyard. Whether you're entertaining guests or simply enjoying a quiet evening, a new patio door creates a more cohesive indoor-outdoor experience that lets you fully appreciate Gilbert's beautiful outdoor scenery. For Gilbert homeowners, a patio door replacement is more than just a functional upgrade. It's an opportunity to enhance comfort, efficiency, and style. From reducing energy costs to boosting home value and improving security, the benefits of a new patio door are substantial. If you're considering a home improvement project, replacing your patio door is a worthwhile investment that transforms your living space and increases the overall enjoyment of your home. Consult a reputable patio door installation service in Gilbert to explore the best options for your property. With the right patio door, you'll create a beautiful, energy-efficient connection to the outdoors that enhances your home's appeal and comfort for years to come.